let a is any odd positive integer and b is equal to 6. Why b is equal to 6? Because here it is given 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6, 6 and 6. That's why I have considered b is equal to 6. So let if a is equal to 6 plus 1, when we take first number 6q plus 1, so it will 6 into q plus 1. Okay, and we consider that b is equal to 6, then we put 6 is equal to b, it will bq plus r. So what will you get? A is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq plus r. You are looking that this is same as we have read Euclid's division method, where a will dividend, b will divisor, q will quotient and r will remainder. Okay, and if a is equal to the second one 6q plus 3, it will again 6 into q plus 3, 6 is equal to b, it will bq plus r. So what you will get? A is equal to bq plus r. And if a is equal to the third one number 6q plus 5, it will 6 into q plus 5, it will b into q plus r. This will a is equal to bq plus r. Okay, so look here, the for rough process, if r is equal to 0, when remainder is 0, then what will get? Because a is equal to bq plus r, so a is equal to 6q plus r. Here r is 0, you will get a is equal to 6q. Q is a quotient. Quotient means 1, 2, 3, 4. So when q is equal to 1, you will get a is equal to 6 into 1, that will 6. Q is equal to 2, so 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Q is equal to 3, 6 into 3 is equal to 18, and 4, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So what you have get? All these numbers are even numbers. Even numbers means number which can be divided by 2. Okay, so you have a is equal to bq plus r when r is equal to 1. So as you know that a is equal to 6q, so it will 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1. So 6q is equal to 6, so 6 plus 1, that will 7. And again if 6q plus 3, 6q is how much? 6q is 12 when r is, sorry, q is 2. So 6q 12, 12 plus 3, this will 15, will 15. Okay, so this is odd or even? This is odd number. And when again 6q plus 5, so 6q is equal to, when q is equal to 3, q is equal to 3, then 6q is equal to 18, this will 18, and 18 plus 5, this will 23. It means all these numbers will and odd numbers. Okay, and now after this question number 3. Question number 3 is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 numbers in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So what is the maximum number of columns which they can march? These types of questions we can find by HCF. So here you have two numbers 616 and 32. Question is saying that एक कोई आर्मी का कॉन्टिजेंट है, कोई दल है, कोई ग्रुप है जिसमें 616 मेंबर्स हैं और उनको एक आर्मी बैंड के पीछे मार्च करना है जिसमें 32 मेंबर्स हैं, और आपको ये निकालना है कि सारे मेंबर्स के पीछे जो कॉलम बनेंगे कितने कॉलम बनेंगे, पीछे कितने लोग होंगे, कॉलम कितने बनेंगे. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द SCF. So our solution will, we have to find SCF of 616 and 32. 616 is greater and 32 is a smaller. We will divide the previous method. 32 divides 616. 32 ones are 32. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9, and 5 3, this will 2, you will get 29. 6 will come here, it will 296, and 32 9s are 288. 8 will the remainder. As you know that here is not a 0, so when it is not 0, we will divide this 32. 8 4s are 32, what we get? 0. We will divide up to when the remainder will not come to 0. हम तब तक डिवाइड करेंगे जब तक हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है. So your SCF is 8, and that will the maximum number of column. Okay, so once again, your Euclid's division method is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You will solve all these questions like this method, and if you have any problem according to this, you can contact. This is my mobile number 9260984228 and 97928893338. Okay, thanks.